Good evening, dear students. Today we'll start with a new topic, Eclipse from chapter 12, Light, Shadow and Reflection. So, before starting the topic, imagine it's a bright sunlight and you are suffering from its bright light. Okay, then what you will do? Yes, you will keep your palm like in between the sun ray and your face, so it can make shadow or protect your eyes from bright sunlight. How it will? Because your palm is blocking the light of the sun from reaching your face. Is it? Now, let's see eclipse. What is eclipse? So, an eclipse is the formation of shadow of one celestial body over another celestial body. Okay, what does it mean? It means it is the natural phenomena which occurred when sun, moon, and earth come in straight line. See, sun, moon, and earth when it comes in straight line. Okay. Now, there are two types of eclipses, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So, solar eclipse is what? It occurs when moon moves between the earth and the sun. Solar eclipse when moon moves between earth and the sun, and it takes place on the new moon day. Okay, what about the lunar eclipse? Lunar eclipse, it occurs when earth moves in between the sun and the moon. Okay, and it takes place on a full moon day. Okay, now let's know about the sun first. Okay, sun. Now, what is sun? As you know, sun is the source of light for us. Okay, and it is a huge ball of fire and is a star. Yes, sun is a star. All the planets, including our earth, revolves around the sun, and our earth has a satellite moon. Okay, earth has a single satellite, that is moon. Moon is the natural satellite of earth and it revolves around the earth during revolution. Sometimes sun, moon and earth comes in a straight line. See, sun, moon and earth comes in a straight line. Okay, such situations is termed as an eclipse. Okay, now let's come to know about the solar and the lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse, it occurs on a new moon day. Sun, moon and earth get lined in a straight line, because of which shadow of the moon falls on earth. Okay, see, sun, moon and earth, all three celestial body comes in a straight line. Okay, so what happens due to which the light of the sun, it falls on the moon, and this moon, it blocks the light of the sun to get reached over this part of the earth, only this part of the earth. So what will happen on this part of earth? It will appear dark. Okay, so it is called as solar eclipse. It occurs when moon moves between the earth and the sun. Now, lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse, it occurs when earth moves in between the sun and the moon. between the sun and the moon. Okay, so the light coming from the sun, it falls on earth, and earth blocked the light of the sun from reaching on the moon. Okay, so what will happen? The moon that time becomes dark, and it takes place on a full moon day. Okay, see, lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when earth moves in between the sun and the moon, blocking the light of the sun from reaching the moon. During lunar eclipse, shadow of the earth falls upon the moon, and it takes place on a full moon night. Now about the solar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon moves between the earth and the sun, blocking the light of the sun from reaching the earth, and during solar eclipse, a shadow of the moon falls on earth, and it occurs on the new moon day. Is it clear? One more thing, you may have heard from your elders that we should not directly see the eclipse, especially the pregnant ladies. With the naked eyes, we should not see the eclipse. Why? Because it may affect your eyesight. For watching the eclipse, you should wear special types of goggles. Okay, and remember it is not necessary that on every full night or on every new moon day eclipse to be occur. Always remember it. Okay, on some special occasion or sometimes it occurs only when the sun, moon and the earth, they aligned in a straight line.